When the sun comes out, it's the perfect time to get your front door looking its best before guests start knocking. Today, we'll show you how you can use colour to refresh your front door, and how you can use the same process to achieve 4 dramatically different looks with Dulux Aquanamel. To start, find your inspiration and select a colour from the Dulux colour range. Don't be afraid to be bold. Brightly coloured statement doors can breathe new life into the entrance of your home. Today, we've chosen Dulux Aquanamel Gloss in Italian clay. To repaint your front door, you will need Dulux Aquanamel Gloss in your chosen colour, Dulux One-Step Prep, a drop sheet, a flat paddle paint stirrer, a wide paint brush, a 5mm nap gloss paint roller and tray, a paint pot, painter's tape, paper, medium grit sandpaper, a damp cloth, sugar soap, and a bucket. Start by laying down a drop sheet. Make sure your front door is clean, and then sand it smooth using medium grit sandpaper. Before applying your prep coat, wipe down the surface with a damp cloth to remove any dust. Then, using high quality painter's tape, mask off the edges of the door and cover any glass with paper. Now, it's time to apply the prep coat. We recommend using Dulux One-Step Prep to achieve a superior, long-lasting and professional finish. Leave the prep coat to dry for 2 hours before moving on to painting your first coat. Once your prep coat is dry, your door is ready to paint. Make sure to stir the paint thoroughly in an up and down motion before you get started. Using your paintbrush, start filling in the front panels of the door. Then fill in the vertical sections between the panels, followed by the horizontal sections at the top, middle, and the bottom. And finally, the outside panels. Here's a handy tip. We recommend a light sand using fine sandpaper between the prep coat and the first, and again between the top coats to provide the best finish. Leave the door to dry for at least 2 hours. Follow the same process when applying the second coat. It's that easy to use colour and Dulux Aquanamel to give your front door a makeover. Here are 4 different looks that show how colour can freshen up and improve the entrance to your home. Give your home a refreshing new look with Dulux Aquanamel. Visit the Dulux website for more project ideas and how-to guides.